Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install FL Studio 2025 on your laptop for free. First, open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you like to use. In the search bar, type Download FL Studio 2025 and hit Enter. From the results, click the official FL Studio website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the description so you can get there quickly. Once you're on the site, click the Download button under the Windows section. A box will pop up asking where to save the file. Most people choose the Downloads folder. Then click Save. The installer is pretty large, so the download might take a few minutes. Once it's finished, go to the folder where you saved it and look for FL Studio Win64.x. Double-click to open it, and if you see a pop-up asking for permission, click Yes. Now the installer will appear. Click Next. Read the license agreement, then click I agree and Next again. Select Install for all users and click Next. Make sure FL Studio plugins and ASIO drivers are checked. ASIO drivers are important for low latency audio. Then click Next. Choose the default installation location unless you want to change it, then click Next again, and finally install. When FL Studio finishes installing, it will prompt you to set up ASIO for all. Just click Next, accept the license, and click Install. When that's done, click Finish to close everything. Now open your Start menu, type FL Studio, and hit Enter. If you have a license, log in to unlock the full version. If not, you can use the free trial to explore all the features. And that's it. FL Studio 2025 is now installed on your laptop, ready for you to start making music. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.